In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect Wi-Fi on laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can really do it on whether you're on like anything, any sort of device you're using that is PC or laptop related. So what you want to go ahead and do is at the bottom, you're going to see a few different options. Now I'm currently connected to Ethernet, but all you want to do is click this little icon because it highlights both of these. And you're going to see Wi-Fi as one of the options. So I can click this right now, but what I want to do is I want to manage Wi-Fi connections. Firstly, go ahead and turn Wi-Fi on, and then it's going to show any different networks. So what I want to do is connect to whichever Wi-Fi network you want. So in my instance, I'm going to choose this one, and then I'm going to click connect right here. And I want to also make sure it says connect automatically. I want to make sure that it's checked so that whenever I go on my PC or laptop, it's going to connect to this automatically. Then once you're here, all you got to do is enter your password, and then literally it's going to connect, and it's literally as simple as that. You can also go over to more Wi-Fi settings and show more available networks here, manage known networks, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go after that. There's nothing else to it. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.